Welcome to Health Talk. Today we are diving deep into a topic that affects millions of people across the globe, from North America to Asia and everywhere in between. In this special Health Talk guide, we're talking about the fatty liver diet plan, what to eat and avoid to heal your liver naturally. Many of you have asked for a clear, actionable plan, and that is exactly what we are here to provide. We will explore simple, powerful changes you can make to your diet and lifestyle to support your liver's incredible ability to heal itself. This isn't about extreme measures or quick fixes. It's about sustainable, science-backed strategies for long-term health. So, what exactly is fatty liver disease? In the simplest terms, it is a condition where excess fat builds up inside your liver cells. Your liver is a powerhouse organ, responsible for over 500 vital functions, including filtering toxins from your blood, aiding digestion, and regulating your metabolism. Because what starts as a simple fat buildup can progress to more serious health problems if left unaddressed. This accumulation can trigger inflammation, a condition known as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH. Over time, this chronic inflammation can cause scarring or fibrosis in the liver tissue. If the scarring becomes severe and widespread, it leads to cirrhosis, a late-stage condition that can severely impair liver function. The good news is that in its earlier stages, fatty liver disease is often reversible with the right approach. Here at Health Talk, we believe that food is medicine. We will walk you through the foods that help heal your liver and the ones that contribute to the problem. Beyond just a diet plan, we will also explore crucial lifestyle tips that work in synergy with your nutrition to promote natural liver improvement. This health issue knows no borders. Africa, Europe, South America, Australia. The rise of modern processed diets and sedentary lifestyles has contributed to a sharp increase in fatty liver disease, especially in North America, parts of Latin America, the Middle East, and the bustling urban centers of Asia. Because this is a global problem, our mission at Health Talk is to provide solutions that are accessible and adaptable, no matter where you live. We want to hear from you, so please take a moment to comment with your country or continent. It is very important to make a quick but crucial disclaimer. The information presented in this essay is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always seek the advice of your physician or another qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. The primary driver is a consistent calorie surplus, especially from high intakes of sugar, particularly fructose. When overwhelmed, the liver converts fructose directly into fat. This is called de novo lipogenesis. Refined carbohydrates play a major role too. White bread, white pasta, pastries. These break down into simple sugars quickly in your bloodstream. That causes a rapid spike in blood sugar and triggers a large release of insulin. But frequent refined carbs can make cells resistant to insulin signal. Insulin resistance is a key factor in NAFLD. Unhealthy fats also contribute, especially saturated and trans fats. Fried foods, fast food, processed meats. Can diet cause fatty liver? Yes, especially with lack of physical activity. It's the chronic mismatch between fuel in and energy out that pushes the liver into becoming an unwilling fat storage depot. The first and most fundamental principle is to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Build meals around foods as close to their natural state as possible. This shift is the cornerstone of an effective fatty liver diet plan. A second core principle is to create a gentle, sustainable calorie deficit to encourage weight loss. Losing 5 to 10% of body weight can dramatically reduce liver fat and inflammation. The third principle is to be incredibly mindful of your sugar intake, especially from liquids. This means eliminating sugary drinks like sodas, sweetened teas, and fruit juices. Finally, the fourth principle is to focus on the quality of the fats you consume. Embrace anti-inflammatory unsaturated fats. Make extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds a regular part of your diet. When we ask the question, what diet is best for a fatty liver? The overwhelming consensus from scientific research points to one dietary pattern above all others: the Mediterranean diet. The beauty of this approach is its focus on abundance and flavor, not deprivation. It is naturally rich in vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and unrefined whole grains. A defining feature of the Mediterranean diet is its primary source of fat: extra virgin olive oil. Regular consumption has been shown to reduce liver fat accumulation. The diet also encourages the consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Furthermore, the Mediterranean pattern naturally limits the foods that are most harmful to the liver. It emphasizes fish and poultry over red meat and strongly discourages processed meats and sugary desserts. First, cruciferous and leafy greens: broccoli, kale, spinach. They contain compounds that support liver detox pathways. Fatty fish: salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines. They're packed with omega-3s that fight inflammation. Aim for at least 2 servings per week. On other days, focus on plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. Legumes provide protein plus soluble fiber. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect the liver. Also consider unsweetened green tea, which is rich in catechins that may decrease liver fat. No matter where you live, you can find local, affordable foods that fit these healing principles, from millet in Africa to quinoa in South America. Just as important as knowing what to eat is knowing what to avoid. At the very top of that list, ultra-processed foods. They offer empty calories that go straight to fueling liver fat production. Next, be ruthless in cutting out refined carbohydrates. Anything made with white flour, like white bread, pasta, and pastries, spikes blood sugar and insulin. Also limit or avoid processed and fatty red meats. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, hot dogs, are often very high in saturated fat and sodium. The single worst offender is sugar-sweetened beverages. When you consume sugar in liquid form, it delivers a massive, rapid-fire dose of fructose directly to your liver. Even 100% fruit juice is problematic. When you juice a fruit, you strip away all of its beneficial fiber. It's always better to eat your fruit, not drink it. Of course, we must address alcohol. For individuals diagnosed with fatty liver, the safest recommendation is to avoid alcohol completely. Another question that floods our comments is about the popular ketogenic diet. Can a keto diet cause fatty liver? This is a nuanced topic. A poorly formulated keto diet, high in saturated fats from sources like bacon and butter, could potentially worsen inflammation. A diet that helps your liver but harms your heart is not a sustainable solution. And what about drinks like Diet Coke? Can Diet Coke cause fatty liver? The direct evidence is not definitive, as diet drinks do not contain the sugars that are directly converted into fat. However, some research points to potential disruptions in the gut microbiome. An unhealthy balance of gut bacteria can increase gut permeability, allowing inflammatory substances to travel to the liver. The Healthtokk verdict is to view diet sodas as a transitional tool. The ultimate goal is to reduce your reliance on all sweetened beverages. Water remains your best choice. To make this practical, let's lay out a sample one-day fatty liver diet plan. For breakfast, rolled oats with berries and walnuts. For lunch, a large chickpea salad. For dinner, baked salmon with steamed broccoli and a small sweet potato. For snacks, have healthy options ready. A small apple with a handful of almonds, plain Greek yogurt, or vegetable sticks with hummus will keep you satisfied. True healing extends beyond your plate. Combine your diet with consistent physical activity, prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, and find healthy ways to manage stress. And finally, work with your healthcare provider. They can provide a proper diagnosis, help you set goals, and monitor your progress safely. Remember the key takeaways. Adopt a Mediterranean-style diet, eliminate sugar and processed foods, and integrate exercise, sleep, and stress management. The journey you are embarking on is not just about managing a condition. It is about actively reversing it. This is a future you can create for yourself. If you found this information valuable, please give this essay a like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know one change you plan to make this week in the comments below. Thank you for joining us at Health Talk. Remember that every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. The path to a healthier liver starts today, with your very next choice.